how to remove extension from Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove the extension from Google browser. So once you're inside your Google browser, all you have to do is just tap on this extension button over here. You can also locate the pinned extension over here. So to unpin or completely delete or remove your extension from the Google Chrome browser, what you need to do is just tap on this three dot icon over here, or you can also click on this manage extension button over here, and here you'll be seeing all of these extensions which you have already installed in your device. So all you have to do is just click on this remove button over the extension which you don't want to keep it anymore on your browser. So just like that, you have successfully removed your extension from Google Chrome. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.